Hello world, this is Wendy Treynor, and today our inspirational quote is, "Nature has a voice. All we have to do is listen." Have you ever noticed sometimes when you're walking in nature, beautiful thoughts come to you? You may feel like the wind is speaking to you, or the trees are talking to you, or maybe it's in the ocean breeze is talking to you. The mountains maybe speak to you, or perhaps a babbling brook or river. Regardless of nature's many myriad forms, there is a one universal underlying truth which permeates all and which you can hear if you just listen. This is Wendy Treynor signing off, but signing in to your heart. And if you like today's quote, you'll love my upcoming book called The Gift of Cancer, Turn Your Tragedy into a Treasure. You can find out more at icanheal.com. I look forward to hearing from you.